Your credit score is probably costing you thousands of dollars, and you might not even know why. Seriously. A bad credit score can raise your car insurance, block you from renting an apartment, or cost you tens of thousands in loan interest. But what if I told you? You can take control of your score starting today. And no, it's not just about paying your bills on time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how credit scores work in 2025 and how you can fix or build yours fast. This one number can decide if you're trusted with a house or denied a phone plan. Let's get into it. Let's break it down. Your FICO score is made up of 5 main parts. 1. Payment history, 35%. This is whether you pay on time. 1 late payment, it can haunt you for 7 years. 2. Credit utilization, 30%. This is how much of your available credit you're using. Using more than 30%, that's a red flag. 3. Length of credit history, 15%. Lenders love a long, stable history. 4. Credit mix, 10%. A healthy mix of credit cards, loans, etc. 5. New credit, 10%. Too many new inquiries? It looks risky. Keeping your utilization under 10% can raise your score faster than most people realize. Let's kill some credit myths. Checking your score hurts it. Wrong. Only hard inquiries, like applying for a loan, affect your score. Soft checks? Totally safe. Closing old cards helps your score. Nope. It can actually lower your average account age and increase your utilization. Paying off collections deletes them. Not true. Paid collections still stay on your report unless removed. Most people think paying on time is enough, but that's only half the game. Here's why your score matters. Even if you're not buying a house, renting. Landlords check your score before handing you keys. Car loans, a lower score, higher interest, more dollar wasted. Insurance, in some states, bad credit, higher premiums. Jobs, some employers check credit for sensitive roles, and get this, even utility companies and phone providers might ask for a deposit if your score's low. Your credit score is your adult report card, and it's being checked more than you think. If your score sucks right now, don't panic. Here's how to fix it. Fast. Step 1. Pull your free credit reports. Use annualcreditreport.com. Step 2. Dispute errors, especially duplicate or inaccurate accounts. Step 3. Lower your utilization. Pay down cards before the statement closes. Step 4. Increase your credit limit without spending more. Step 5. Set up autopay. Never miss another due date. Step 6. Don't open too many new accounts at once. I raised my score by 72 points in under 60 days using just 3 of these steps. Just starting out or recovering from damage. Here's your roadmap to an 800+ score. Get a secured credit card or credit builder loan. Use it monthly for small purchases, like Netflix. Pay in full, on time, every single month. Keep utilization under 10%. Be patient. Time builds trust. Rinse and repeat. In 12-18 months, you'll be in prime territory. You don't need 6 figures or fancy tricks. You need strategy and consistency. And now, you've got both. If your credit score is holding you back, you now have a plan to fix it. I've created a free credit repair checklist, link below. And if this helped you, hit that subscribe button. Every week, we break down one money move to get you closer to financial freedom.